Channel Limitless Learning. So our today's topic is our national flag. I have divided this video into two parts. First we talk about the history, that how our tricolor flag has evolved, and second is the facts. When was the first time the Indian flag was hosted pre-independence? In the year 1906, August 7, by Sachendra Prasad Bose, in Calcutta or Kolkata, in the Parsi Bagan Square or Green Park, and this was the flag in the year 1906. When was the first time it was hosted on a foreign land or in a foreign country? In the year 1907, during the Berlin Committee, by Madame Kama or Bikaji Kama in Germany at Stuttgart. This was the flag. It had slight variation from the flag in year 1906. This is Madam Bikaji Kama. Flag used during the Home Rule movement. The flag was hosted or used during the Home Rule movement. The Home Rule movement was in year 1917. It was hosted by Lokmanya Tilak or Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Dr. Annie Besant, and this was the flag, denoting a Union Jack, a crescent moon and star, and 5 red and 4 green lines and 7 stars denoting the Saptarishi. The two-striped flag of the year 1921. In the year 1921, when All India Congress Committee was held, this flag, the flag used in year 1921, was presented by Venkaiah to Mahatma Gandhi, which denotes two colors, red and green, red for Hindus and green for Muslims. This was the flag. The flag changed for the 5th time. This was the time when the flag had certain variations, and this was the 5th time when the design of the flag changed. This flag was adopted in year 1931, and Mahatma Gandhi in the All India Congress Committee suggested certain additions or certain variations to be done to the flag, and he asked to add a white stripe between the red and green color denoting other communities and a spinning wheel that denotes the progress of the nation. And इसी साल में, that is in year 1931, a resolution was passed कि हम एक tricolor flag को, this tricolor flag को as national flag adopt करेंगे. This was the flag that was suggested by Mahatma Gandhi. The final approved flag. अब आता है हमारा tricolor flag, जिसे हम national flag कहते हैं. इसे अडॉप्ट किया था, इसे मान्यता मिली थी ऑन जुलाई 22, 1947 में, जहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ने इसे अडॉप्ट किया था एंड इट रिमेन्ड सेम आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. मतलब उन्होंने अपने लिए एक्सेप्ट किया था कांग्रेस ने, लेकिन ये अल्टीमेटली इवेंचुअली ये हमारे भारत का झंडा बन गया, जिसको जहाँ पे स्पिनिंग व्हील को रिप्लेस कर दिया था चक्र से, धर्म चक्र, विच वॉज द चक्र ऑफ एम्परर अशोका. Who was known as the father of Indian flag? Pingali Venkaiah was known as the father of Indian flag, who was born in near Machilipatnam, which is now known as Andhra Pradesh. He is Pingali Venkaiah because he designed our national flag. He is the one who designed our national flag, and he has also his name in the list of our Indian freedom fighters. Next is some facts about our national flag. First, where it is manufactured. The sole manufacturing unit of our national flag is Karnataka Khadi Gram Udyog Samyukta Sangha in Benguri village of Dharwad district. What is the prescribed fabric for making of the flag? Khadi. As per the Bureau of Indian Standards, the fabric that is used is only khadi. What are the dimensions of the flag? The ratio of width of the flag to its length, that is, width to its length, is 2:3. Number of spokes in Ashok Chakra, that is, in the middle blue wheel of the flag, it has 24 spokes, each with equal spacing and having a diameter approximately equal to the white band. What does the tricolor signifies? The saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies fertility and growth. wheel, the dharm chakra signifies motion, that life continues, the nation continues and keeps on growing. We should always respect our national flag because it is our pride. And I hope you liked my video. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.